Before the world decides who we are, there's a moment where we decide for ourselves. No cameras, no expectation. Just the woman in the mirror. We used to think strength was something you perform, something you prove. But for us, strength has always been private. It lives in ritual, in patient hands, in knowing what is ours. Some of us learned that between our grandmother's knees, in stories told softly, while oil warmed in careful hands. Some of us tried to make our hair behave. Press it down, it rises. Quiet it, it expands. Our hair never rushed for anyone. When we walk into a room, we are not arriving to be accepted. We arrive as we are. This hair, it bends, it braids, it coils and crowns. It carries history, it holds power. And that is why we are unstoppable. Creme of Nature.